Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix WhatsApp status couldn't send error message. If you're not being able to post your status update on WhatsApp and it shows you the couldn't send error message, then here are some quick fixes that you could try out in order to solve the problem. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you're not being able to update your WhatsApp status whenever you're trying to update on WhatsApp, you keep getting this couldn't send error message, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Go check your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, turn it on. Once you do that, go back to your WhatsApp application, wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that my status has been updated right away. If the network is not the issue and you're still not being able to update your status, then the next thing you can try out is to try uploading a different picture or a video. Sometimes the file you are trying to send might be too large, or it might be because of some other unknown reasons, so in that case, you can try uploading a different video or a picture or even a status on your WhatsApp. If that still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is to go to your settings from your Android device. Under settings, search for apps and tap it on. From the apps list, find WhatsApp and give it a tap. Under the app info section, tap on storage. Tap on Clear Cache on the next page at the bottom right corner. Similarly, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner, and in the pop-up, select OK. Once you do that, relaunch your WhatsApp application from your app drawer. Once you do that, tap on My Status and try updating your status. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're not being able to update your status on WhatsApp and it keeps showing you couldn't send error message. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.